What's up, everybody? How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. So let me just go ahead and share on Discord that we're live. At everyone, we're live. Join. That's great. So let me just delete these messages here. Delete. Delete. That would be perfect. Okay. All right. Let me see if y'all can see the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, buddy. What's up, man? Hello, hello. Okay. Without further ado, let's get this started. Because today's stream won't be that long, like maybe maximum 7:15. I'll have to call it a day. I got some things to do, so. Yep, let's get it started. Let's see if we can take a trade here. If not, then yeah, we'll see what NFP does. And again, like remember, this is pre-NFP, so gotta be a little bit cautious. We've got a key level here. We've got another key level here. And not only that, we have another key level, which is previous daily high. If you really check, we haven't really expanded beyond Wednesday's high. Again, we have also Thursday's high, and we haven't really expanded beyond it. So we have a key level, we just interacted with the key level, so that might be interesting actually to kind of take a look at. And not only that, we have the SSMT here with previous daily high on YM. YM ever really traded up into that previous daily high. Same with ES. So that's looking good. That's looking juicy. That's looking good. So without further ado, let's go to 7 hour. Let's see what the 7 hour is doing. Let me see what AM Trace is doing here. So this is 1800. Oh, wait. This is 8. This is 1800. Okay. Previous daily high is this. Okay, so 1800 just expanded higher, traded into the drawn liquidity, which is that previous daily high. Again, it's not a draw, it's just a key level. And now we're seeing a little bit of retracement on YM, just kind of like pushing a little bit lower here. And again, on YM, what do we have? A fat ass gap. So we gotta be a little bit cautious with that too. But let me go to 4 hour. I love the 4 hour. And again, there's nothing really to play with here. We only have a PSP. We have this one stage PSP here. Like the only thing I can see is like PSP here. This one is also a PSP, and this one is a PSP. And what you tend to see after an expansion day, a shaded price action. Expansion, shaded price action, expansion, shaded price action. So I think news would be the catalyst for an expansion here. I don't think we can trade here something. I don't think we can trade something here, guys. Yep, it's not something that would really interest me. Just like yesterday, like on YM, like even though like it ended up expanding higher, but there were already strength switch here at the high, strength switch at the low. So, but I think this YM strength switch here was kind of cleaner due to the fact that it was kind of support this 4 hour. And if you guys were in the wait, am I disconnected? No way. Am I disconnected, guys? It says here on YouTube that my chat is disconnected. Can you guys hear me? What is that, bro? Yeah, the YouTube is loading up so slow, so let me take a bite here while it's loading up. Oh, bro, YouTube haven't loaded yet. What's wrong? YouTube Studio haven't really loaded yet. Let me check. Let me see what's wrong. Let me see what's wrong here. I think I should join from my phone to check if everything's working good or not. Let me join from my phone. 1 sec. Refine Trader. Let me check if it's still working. Let me check. No, it's all good. Okay, it's all good. Okay, it's all good. So let's let YouTube do its thing while it's trying. But I will not be able to read whatever you guys say. Let me check if it will work right now. Let me see. That's good. Is it the NFP or CPI? I haven't really checked. My brain tells me, like from yesterday, my brain was telling me, but I think it's CPI since you guys have checked. CPI, not NFP. So we got CPI at 8:30, in like 2 hours and a half. And at 10 we have like mid-sized news. Okay, mid impact. Man, everything's working. Yeah, I don't know why it did not work that. Anyways, if you guys remember on yesterday, it was clean on YM. I said something here. I said, like, even though it's shitty, like, YM is a little bit cleaner if we expand and we form a gap. If you guys remember, we were waiting for a 30-minute gap. Let me check. We were waiting for a 30-minute gap here, which got closed, but I think that two-stage PS, this two-stage strength switch here, again, was a clean setup, but was there an entry? I don't think so, bro. Yeah, if you guys remember, we marked out that CISD first, it failed, and then we got the second one, which really expanded price. But silver, for the people that were here in the stream yesterday, we got that SMT break later on, so whoever got that silver long, congrats. Let me check what's going on my phone. Okay, so from the get-go, there's nothing really I wanna look at on in terms of NSCs, to be honest. It's just the slow ranged BA, like just yeah, it's not really doing much. Look at ES too, like it's just we're literally doing a range in between this high and this low here. So literally just like yesterday. So and I don't want to get caught up in a mess. So what I'm gonna do, boom, go to oil. Go to oil, try it. So oh god, bro. It's just like another version of NASDAQ. Let me take that off. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Again, we kind of traded above this high here, which is like 1400, which is I think say somewhat of a relevant high compared to, like, if you see the distance between this high and that high, that's a relevant high. We do have a C2, but again, remember we kind of formed. We did an open low, traded higher. Are we gonna see the failure to manipulate and continue higher? So let's go to the daily and kind of use the daily to kind of frame what we can anticipate. So from the get-go, we have VPSB here on CL. So if price is gonna continue lower, where will it do it from? From the AQ of this wick here, right? Now let me see the. Oh, this one is loading slow. I don't know why, bro. Let me use this one instead. So again, if we wanna look for shorts, ideally this AQ here. Why? So that way this current candle just opens high into the AQ and then kind of levers lower, with the anticipation that this would be fair to manipulate, because we're already traded back in almost the AQ of this candle here. We should frame a reversal off of this candle's AQ. This is an expansion candle. We can reverse out the AQ. We already tapped the AQ. We haven't really reversed yet. We have a range. So ideally, if we want to reverse, this is the time to do it, or we have to do this and then continue. So looking at a 4-hour, we do have a C2 here, off of like this high here, which is again a spaced out swing. We got this swing here, we got the next one here. So we kind of shared above with failed to reverse, and this is a PSP, I guess. Yeah, this one is bullish, this one is bearish. So we have again another PSP here, and yeah, it's like an obvious PSP on HO. HO is just like delivering lower. It's the weaker asset. So let's see if we can frame some sort of reversal again out of that AQ, and we can take it back into this 2 a.m. low, and also this 1800, this 10 a.m., this 2200 low, which is the current low of day. So again, we traded above the current high of day, which is a key level, forming a C2. So let's see if we can frame any correction correlation there, which I don't think we're gonna get, because look at that. It already delivered into the current low day, and we have this SMT here. So it's a little bit messy. The current 4-hour, like, due to the fact that this 4-hour candle is bearish and this one is bearish, I would like to see an hourly swing to confirm the reversal candle on 6 a.m. So if I want to take longs, I'll have to wait for an hour. If not, then I want to take sells with the anticipation that this is a failure to manipulate. Then I would require an SMT fail here. And we can, if we really take the high and low, that gap is like literally sitting at the AQ. So that would be a good gap. And also if we take this range here, which is the current range, we're sitting at the AQ of the range. So that's a good place to take shorts from. Like, you're not really low on the leg. So let's see if we're going to get that SMT fill. I think we did get it. No, we still need one tick on RB to get that SMT fill. And let's see if that's something we can capitalize on and take it over the lows, with the anticipation that each traded on the low, it will fail to manipulate and CL can catch up. And yeah, so that would be another trade idea that I have right there. And if we go to gold, this is not gold. We got gold and silver. We're still sitting within previous day's range. Let me take that out. That's there are a lot of drawings. Where's 1800? That's 1800. So if you really check here, what happened is that we kind of traded into this gap. We formed a C2, then it failed, and now we're forming another C2. So price is just struggling to go lower, and at the same time it's struggling to go higher. So I'm not really interested. Like the only thing I'm interested in right now is like indices, not the oil tribe energies. That's like the only thing I'm interested in. I'm not really interested in NQ indices. I'm not interested, and also metals. There's nothing really. It's just again same. Right? Look at silver. If you really look at silver, look at that. So what do we have here? SMT break. Same 4-hour candle. Yeah, trader. So we can anticipate that silver is going to catch up with that same low, but we need some more development in terms of PA. There's nothing really here we can trade off of. Like this maybe this swing here. This PSP was a clean one. Let me see. I think we had an SMT fill here, but there's nothing really we could have traded from this side. Let me see. Yeah, this one traded above. It did not really trade. And we did have this SMT here. But is it something? Is this SMT valid? Is there a gap? No, there's no gap there, so it's not really valid for me. This SMT would have been better, but we don't have it. So yeah. So I would just be interested in that SMT fail on CL. If we get it, that would be good. If not, then yeah. So I'll be staying here for like an hour max. So an hour from now, like which is like 7:15, because I gotta go do some things here. So yeah, that's like the only idea I'm interested in. Or again, if we see some sort of expansion lower on silver, I would like to trade it as the lagging asset to that same low. And what do we have? Like the CIC here confirming the high of 10 a.m. yesterday. This one is confirming the high of 2 a.m. So now again, let's see if we can get some like this. There's some sort of manipulation at this high. Then some sort of strength switch here. We can take it to this low or that low. That would be good. Because like if you really look at the ranges, the expansions, let me just do this. I don't like that. If you really look at this, expanding deep into the range, we just literally traded below the low. Now we're seeing that it's retracing back again. In terms of the 4-hour, what do we have? Like we do have a C2 here. We do have a C2 to the upside, but this is a C3 if you really look at it. Because it confirmed this auto block here. Do you see? It kind of confirmed this auto block here. So don't get caught up that this is a C2. I would like to see longs continuing lower, plus that SMT break. Like we got the SMT break. We wanted to see the SMT break. Where did we get it? Get it here. So we got the SMT here, but it did not really do shit. It just got taken out. So I want to see that same thing happen here on silver. So let's see if we're gonna get such setup or not. Hourly, do I have a swing? Not really. So let's just wait. Yeah, let's just wait. It's just inside bar and within this 5 a.m. candle, so there's nothing really to do much here. So let's just wait. Let's give it some. Let's allow time to reverse. So I haven't eaten breakfast, by the way. This is 6 p.m. here, and I haven't taken breakfast yet. So I just got my eggs ready and stuff. So I'm gonna be eating while I'm here. If you guys have any questions, type them in the chat, and I will be able to answer you guys. But while I'm doing that, so while you guys are typing questions, I'll be eating. Okay? I haven't taken my breakfast yet. Let me see the chat because I see a lot of comments here. So let me start from, is today NFP or CPI? I did that. We can hear you, man. Where did you learn GxT? YouTube or Market Lens? Market Lens. GC long. GCC to closure on GC. Yeah, all right. So I think you did look at the GC analysis. That's good. Okay. I had a question. Wait? Let me zoom in a little bit. Where did you learn GxT, YouTube, or yeah, Market Lens? I've been in a Market Lens for a few months. Just when Garrett launched his GxT model, I was there already. So no live for New York Open. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Okay, so we're seeing that SMT fail. Let me check. Let me see what's going on here. We got like this one here, which hit above. Like this can be confirmed as CISD, but it's too low. It's like too minor. Let me see. Maybe I'll probably wait for this one to get to form, and then that'll be comfortably too hard to the lows. So I'm not sure. I might stream on New York session, but if I don't manage to come early, then yeah, I will let you guys know. I'll let you guys know on Discord because I gotta go get some things done. So I hope I might be able, but if I do manage, maybe it will be around 10 a.m. I guess. Maybe it'll be around 10 a.m. not 9:30. And we've got 27 viewers here, so if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe because we're sitting at. I'm really happy with what's going on here with the subs. Thank you guys so much. And I hope I'll be able to provide more value for you guys to learn and to be able to make some money for yourselves. So, yep. If you guys haven't subscribed, let's get it. So I think we're so close to that monthly goal on the Discord that I told you guys. Where was it? It was somewhere near. So let me just make this a little bit smaller. Make this smaller too. It was at least 15 streams. I'm not really sure how many streams I did this month. So let me go ahead and check how many streams I've done this month. Let me check. If you go to live, I think I did like 5 or 6. I think maybe a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is the 7th stream. Okay. So halfway through the streams, and it's already like just 10. 5 trade breakdowns. I haven't really posted any trade breakdowns, so I still need to post 5 videos, 5 trade breakdowns, and also 1 or 2 backtest sessions. So at least I have to post 6 videos and 7 more streams, 20, and to get to 21 hour subs. So this is what I can do. Like I have full control of this to stream, to post trade breakdowns, and to do backtesting session. But this is out of my control. So if you do this, most likely you'll get this. So, yep. Let's see. So we're still got like 7 streams. And next week, by the way, next week I guess we're gonna finish the streams. We're gonna get to the 15 streams goal. And of course, not because I do like 15 streams, I'll have to stop. No, but next week I'll be doing 2 streams a day. 6 to 7:30, or to 8, and then 9:30 to 12. Yep. So next week we're gonna up the game a little bit. Best live stream on YouTube. Let me see where I can be able to study your model. GxT, Garrett is the one who came up with such things. So it's all in his YouTube. So you can check it out, GxT, and then you'll be able to get it. And then once you learn the concepts and all the good things, you can come here on stream and watch us execute it live. let me plug in my earphones. Breakfast done. This should be dinner. I just had my breakfast. Shit, man. Let me check my messages. Okay. Let me get that out of the way. All right. So we just got the CSD. That would be a valid one to take. Should take it external. That's how I would approach it. So let's see how it sets up. Let me see the comments. No live for okay. Where I can okay. 2 4 hour yeah, of course, man. Dean, of course, man. We gotta do 6 and 10. Like let's get it. Let's go. What would you recommend I learn as a starting trader, and when I'm comfortable with my account, which pair should I trade? If we're talking about pairs, which is like Euro CGU, it's ideal to trade like futures. So just focus on Nasdaq, US 100, US 500, and US 30 if you're on a forex broker. If not, if you're on futures, YM, ES, and NQ. Start with this one first, and then get the hang of it, and then add more and more by time. But first, start with Indices. We have so let's see if this baby plays out here. So it's so far looking good. So we're gonna anticipate the SMT break, right? We got the SMT here. We're just gonna anticipate the SMT break. So let's see how this one goes. Let me put in that SMT fail. Alright, let's keep it this way. Nope, we gotta put it top, center. Alright, let's give it this way. Alright. Each of them really traded into the lows yet. RB too, so there's no need for me probably like to manage a trade here. So let's just wait and see. Let me see that 3 minute if you got in on that 3 minute CIC there. Wow, it's really down. SMT with each O or RB? Let me check. I forgot. With each O. With each O, each other higher. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. Let me go to M5. Take that off. CIC here. And let me make this one a little bit better. Okay. Make this one blue here. Let me become a designer. Let me make this a little bit darker. Okay. There's that same high, which is here. Put that SMG fail. No need. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it's been registered. Okay. Let's see what's up. Let me play some music. Let me make sure y'all cannot hear the music. Background music, MIDI source. Okay, so that's good. Let me put on some Spotify here. All right, let's see. So we're seeing that it's tracing back from that low. So let's see how price would react from there. Maybe we can retrace back to that gap and then Dump a little bit lower. And we got a new 30-minute candle open, so where's that 6 a.m. open? Let me check where's that. Oh, 6 a.m. open is literally right here, which is that same as CISD, so let me see if we can retest that 6 a.m. open and then deliver lower. Finesse. So we're sitting within this gap, so let's see if this gap does it chop or not. Let me see what's going on with gold and silver. Oh wow, traded above. Okay, that's interesting. Kind of have the CIC here. We'll form that. We might form a. Only having one stage here. Let's see. Interesting. Traded above the previous 4-hour candle. Is that? I think that's the previous 4-hour candle, right? Yeah. Okay. So basically now we're gonna have a 2-stage PSP if we close with the hourly candle here. If the hourly closes, however it closes, because the other fact that the 4 hour is already a PSP, even though like it might be, it's better to have the 4-hour closure for it to be confirmed like a 4-hour 2-stage PSP. But like the hourly closure would also give it like a good confirmation there. But let's see. I don't like how weak this candle closed. I don't really like it. Formed equal lows or traded below? Yeah, formed equal lows. So you have this volume imbalance here on each O. But like each O is 2 down on the leg, so let's see what's gonna happen there. Okay, so far so good. We're kind of reacting off with the gap. We're respecting that 6 a.m. open. Can shit it back to that 6 a.m. open slash this opposing candle here. So far so good. You on this live or just paper trading? None of them. I'm not gonna trade my gonna trade the accounts on Monday. I'm not trading today. And I did not trade yesterday. So I'll trade on Monday. So I'm here just for the live stream and stuff, so. God damn, I think I won't be able to grasp these concepts ever. For someone, it's super simple. For me, I don't know. You can ask questions, man. Come on. Come on, Dean. Come on. Paper alive. Paper alive. Alright, man. Yeah, just for the live stream, just to keep the live streams and provide some value there. But I'm not gonna trade it today, Monday. God. So Dean, you can just ask questions, drop them in the chat, and I will see if I can help, man. That's the purpose of the live stream. It's not for me to take a trade and show it to y'all guys. Like, it's just for you guys to benefit. So I'm not even trading here in the first place. So it's mostly here for the people that are watching the stream to kind of benefit. And now if I actually was in that trade, I would probably trail my stop to just this current 30-minute high. I would probably trail it here, I guess. Yeah. Because the 30-minute candle already kind of formed its high from a key level, which is the gap, and now it already expanded. So the 30-minute now is sitting like this. It should not go make that delayed protraction. So if I was on that trade, I would probably trail my stop here. So that's how I would manage it. Especially we kind of took out a previous 30-minute candle low. So we're kind of seeing that aggressive reaction. So we want to see just a retracement back and then a continuation. We don't want to see price kind of breaking above this current high here, because if it does, I think it will just continue a little bit higher. Look at HO, kind of already formed that second drive lower. So let's see. I think that I know all answers well when it comes to live trading, man. I think if I already up. I got you. But like, what's one of your biggest struggles? When do you use M15 cracks? Do you use a specific scenario when you trade M15 continuations? When we have already the reversal established, and then we kind of seek out the M15 cracks and correlation to be able to get along with the expansion. Because you can, if price is already expanding, like if price is already expanding, you cannot really wait for a 30-minute or hourly swing or a 30-minute or hourly cracking correlation. Probably if we're gonna get some sort of cracking correlation, will be on F15 because we've already established that true reversal, and now we're on expansion phase. And expansion, what do we know about expansions? We don't really get deep retracements, so that's why we kind of frame F15s there. امتى تكون safe trade away? When it is safe to trade away from failure swing? When you have a two-stage trend switch SMT, that's the only time. But still, I don't like to trade the failure swing SMT. I like to trade the one that manipulates the high. So if we have this, on one asset, so this one is like, this is first stage, this is the second stage, and let's just imagine I would ideally trade the one that kind of traded above the high. This is what I would trade, because most of the time you'll see this one becoming the leading asset or downside, even though we kind of took out the high, just like the one I showed on the mini lesson I shared on YouTube. $30-minute C3 on gold trading higher. What do you think? Nah, bro. I won't really touch gold. If I want to actually take a trade, I would actually anticipate the SMT break, just like I did yesterday. If you guys weren't in yesterday's stream, from the get-go, we said I wanted to see the SMT break. If I see a proper setup to go for that SMT break, I will take it. If not, then I won't trade it. Same for here. If we get the SMT break, I will take it. If not, if we see a proper setup to go for the SMT break, I will take shorts. If not, then yeah, I'm not really gonna touch gold. I'm not gonna touch silver until then. Wipe his nose. Wipe his nose. I like this style of music, man. This is what you need when you're trading. Oh, I already like this guy's song. When? I think it's just today. Yeah, just today. Oh, 57 minutes ago. First song. Yeah, that's a good one. This is what you need when you trade. You need club vibes. Even though I don't go to clubs. Hey. So let's see how this one plays out. Beautiful. 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 Come on. Can you deliver to the lows? Come on, baby. Come on, you got it. Come on. You don't gotta reverse from here, CL. Like, oh, wait. Do we have any? Do we have we don't. 30 minutes? I think we do have in 30 minutes. Alright, we don't. That's good. But we kind of traded what we traded into now. This gap here. That's where we're seeing the reaction from, by the way. Let's see. But yeah, at this point, my stop would be at break even, by the way, so. Can we trade reversal from 30-minute 2-stage cracks or our minimum 1 hour required to trade reversal? Depending on what you mean. Like, there are too many things, but ideally, I prefer the hourly swing 2-stage. If you want to trade reversal. Ideally. Yeah. And if you miss, like, for example, you had the 30-minute and 10 price order expanding, so by the time the hourly closes somewhere in here, so you kind of miss the reversal, just wait for the continuation. Just wait for an SMT fill in the M15 universal model and take it. And if you miss it too, then yeah, it is. So you're not meant to take that move. So. البارح طمعت فؤاد continuation M30 at 12 is at 6. At 12. I think after the SMT break. I think you took it after the SMT break, I guess. Oh wait. Should be here. After 12. Oh yeah, bro. Don't tell me like this. Let me see. I think I can spot your entry. Oh, bro. Don't tell me this is SMT fill here. Don't tell me this is SMT fill. Is it this one? Is it this PSB and this SMT fill? This second stage here? Is it this one? If it's this one, let me know in the comments. Then chat. Listen to Shanakia. Shanakia. I think this one's like a... Oh, bro, I'm sure this is an Indian song, right? Let me check. Let me see it pretty quick. From the... Let me check. The Burning God. Yeah, just by the name, I guess. Oh, I know this place. Is this where they... Is this the place where they burn people? Is this the city where they burn people? I'm not sure. I think this is the place, man. I don't know. Wait. Gotta make sure. Wait, one sec. Where they burn bodies. Let me check. It's called Varanasi. Let me see if it's that same one, bro. If it's that same one. City of Varanasi. Is it the same? Bro, I think it's the same. Wait, let me see. Just from the boats, I was like, maybe it's the same. Let me check Spotify. It's somewhere in here. And also the color. Is it ASOM? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. The vibe is good. It's like a chilled vibe, so. Lol, I'm from Varan. Oh my god, bro. Yes, that's the place. I know I am just. Wait, what? Let me set a question. Why don't you trade today? Oh man, if you know. Hey. Brother, it's a long story. Okay. Yeah, bro, like silver, like price is already expanded. Like, just look at that. Like, if you take this current swing, look at where you're trading, bro. Extreme discount, extreme premium. Also within this, like here, extreme premium. Yeah, and like the goal was like this SMT break. So you trade way beyond what is it called? Trade way beyond the draw. Massage. Come on, bro. Why you took it off? No worries. Let me see what all is doing. Come on, all. Come on, you got it. Just one 3-minute candle, bro. Just one 5-minute candle. And then you should be good to go. So let's see if we're going to get a continuation from this gap here or not. I actually like this instrumental. It's like the one on the movies, bro. I think they all got the same style, so that's a good one. Oh, let me see the video clip. So like, what's that? If somebody knows, like, what is that now? Like, what's going on now? Tarkil Astro. So like, what's going on right now? If you guys like, if somebody can tell me, like, is this like some, I don't know. You guys can let me know if somebody knows like what's going on here. So. Oh wait, is it? Oh bro, I was listening to the to this. I was listening to the wrong song. Wait, wasn't it the one that I started earlier? Oh what? Oh, is this one? Okay, okay. It's the same guy, but it's just okay. I got it. Ah, because I saw the video clip. All right, now I understand. It's a kind of ritual to do what? Like after, before, like burning, or is this like a on a yearly? Like. Let me put on this indicator. Like now, when this indicator is on, everybody that comes on stream and doesn't know what I do, they be like, "Oh, this guy trades GxT just from the all these are time frame candles." Let me check out the 6-hour and the 4-hour. They ain't serving anything here, so let me take them off. And what I'm gonna do is just keep this one 30 minutes. No, I gotta keep this one 30, not 10. Gotta make it 30. This one gotta make it hour. Hard time frame. This one got to be a 4. The daily. And you know what? Let's make this the 6-hour. And this one a daily. We don't really use the weekly. Let's do 3 on each one. I don't really need 4 candles. Just need 3 candles. Okay. Now that's better. Now I'm a GxT trader. Also, this one that I'm listening to right now is a good one. Let me. This one is also such a good one. It's a good one. Gaps show the price will wait. Can we treat? No, we cannot. Gaps show the okay for different occasions, different rituals, but same place. I see. What if there is a gap on one asset and not okay? That works. If one asset has a gap and the other one doesn't, that works. That would still count as a gap. Because either the one that expanded and formed the gap cheated back, so now it's becoming from weaker because they formed the gap to stronger, or the one that formed the gap that did not really cheat into the gap, so now the one that was weaker is still weaker. So both of them tell a story. And so the other ones, like the don't form a gap, it will just be for use for context. So okay, we're seeing again this gap is doing its job, which is good. Let's see. Again, this is again another SMT break trade. SMT break with what? With a strength switch. From going from stronger to now becoming weaker to do what? To catch up with that low. Maybe I'll record the trade breakdown for this one. Even though like I haven't took it, but maybe. Just because you never know, bro. I still got to post like 5 trade breakdowns, so better get one done now. Better get one done today or tomorrow. So next week we can post like 1 or 2 and Come on, you got it. All right, and it's about to hit TP. Come on. Come on, CL. Come on. Tum tum. I'm listening to another song starting with tum tum. Tum tum. Tum tum. Wait, there's a song. Shah Rukh Khan. I'm just gonna go and type. Is it Shah Rukh Khan? Is how you guys type? I don't know. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan top 50. I know a few songs. Okay. So if anybody took that trade, congrats. If you did not take it, like me, it's okay. So it was all based off on the 5 minute. You don't really have to wait for a retracement. You can just market execute white due to the fact that if you put your stop there and TP here, so you'll get to R quite enough. But if you wanted, you could have like squeezed a little bit more RR there. But that was 2R, so yep, that's your 2R. Again, SMT fell. If you're realist, let's do a quick trade breakdown. Each L traded below the low, so what do we add? We had this SMT here. Do you think we're gonna reverse off of this SMT? No, because we kind of inverse the gap. So ideally, if you want one, if you want to use advanced premium and discount, this one has to have a gap to continue lower. But what we had, we formed the gap, and just after it, so now instead of expanding higher, what we did, we kind of respected the bearish PDRA, which is kind of that gap. We had the SMT fail into 30 minutes. So now this guy is going from stronger to weaker to do what? To go ahead and break the SMT. So that's the whole point. Also, if you look at the 4 hour, what we said, we fell to this place before the high. And what we have, this is the current low day, current high day. Now we're expanding away from the current high day into the current low day. So for now, I wouldn't really be willing to kind of like look for a further expansion due to the fact that this is a spaced out swing. So like we might get to here, but I don't think we're going to do this. We might get this and like whatever. So ideally, this is the current low of day, which is a relevant swing. Take it off here, take your trade off here. And yeah, just call it a day. That's your 2R. If I took that one, probably I wouldn't trade at 10 a.m. Most likely I would not trade at 10 a.m. Especially that we have CPI and stuff like that. So yeah, but we'll hop on 10 a.m. see what's up. That's if I manage to give like a little bit early. We'll hop on and see what's up. So if anybody took that trade, congrats. Shut up, would you trade GC short 30 minutes of 30 minutes and 3 on? Let me check. 3:30. Would you trade GC short 3:30 SMT fail? Wait, let me capture a price here to be able to see it. Let me want the price a little bit back. Go to 30 minutes. You mean this one here? This one? Not really. I wouldn't really be interested in. I like when we have an SMT fail with like just the previous candle. So for example, we have candle number 1, 2, 3, and then like literally not candle number 4 forms that gap. If you really check here, we traded below the low, and then we can retrace. So in that case, I would actually be willing to wait for a new swing, which then would confirm the SMT, and then I will trade this expansion. I wouldn't trade within the 3:30 candle. I would trade within the 4 candle. Let's see if it expanded lower. It did. So I would actually wait for this swing to form, and then take it. Because in the SMT fail is just looking at expansions and just like anticipating that we're gonna continue to expand. But here we kind of formed the retracement back, so ideally wait, confirm a new swing, and then take it, because now we kind of flipped bullish. So we're not really kind of respecting that bearish order flow at this time. Like we formed a new swing, so we'll wait for that opposing swing. And now not only that, it's really beautiful. We kind of confirmed this auto block here. So if you trade, you can just also take this one onto 30 minutes and have your stop here and go for the lows. So that would be better. That would be better. But it's a really valid one. But again, with context, let me check. But like the overall context, I mean, Yeah, I mean, I would take it actually on. I would actually take it on. What is it called? On silver if I want to take that trade. Just again, same logic. Anticipate an SMT break. This one being stronger, but is it the weaker now? Gold is the weaker. Okay, I see. See 3 minutes. Like it could have been valid, but it's not the best. Like in terms of 30 minutes, yeah, it's really good. But in terms of like a framework and the 4 hour, not the best. Yeah. So yeah. Take partials and leave one runner. I wouldn't really. I'll just take it off. Like even if it goes like trade slower, then yeah. But maybe if you're going with MCL and you got in with like 10 contracts and then you're gonna leave one or two, then yeah, that might make sense. But remember, this is the current low day, so this is a relevant swing. Look, this is a spaced out level. This one, that level. So before you can anticipate, we're gonna go to the next swing when we need a failure to manipulate, a new swing, and then we can anticipate to get there. Other than that, like you cannot just anticipate that we're gonna go there directly. And we just formed a new range from this high to low. So we might retrace back to the EQ before pushing lower. But again, who knows? We might just do this and then form the swing here. So this entry will be protected. So I think I'll wait for like 5 minutes. I'll see. We'll get to the hour mark on stream and then I'll call it a day. Maybe. Alright, just answer some messages there on my phone. Alright, let's see what gold is doing. Are there any trades there? For now, we don't have any trades. NQ. Yeah, so it was good that we kind of went with CL. Like now we're confirming an hourly CISD. We tapped back into it, so we can turn the M3. That looks good, but yeah, with proper like, you might get like really clean. If you're too focused on like 30-minute hourly, you might get like some clean PA. But if you just, for example, go to 4 hour and it looks cleaner, just pick the one that is a lot cleaner on the 4 hour, just like this one here. It was a lot cleaner on the 4 hour, so it was an easy anticipation that this is gonna be a bearish candle to the low. So ideally that's how you know. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. See you guys and take care. Maybe I'll hop on at 9:30 or 10. If I'm gonna hop on, I'll let you guys know on the Discord. If not, then I will let you guys know, and maybe we can do a on a weekend. I'm not sure if I can hop on any session, but if I can, I'll let you guys know. We can either do one on Discord or on YouTube, and maybe I'll go ahead and post this trade because okay, and there's a beautiful lesson there about SMT break and also a strength switch. So we got the strength switch here, so it's a really good lesson here. Maybe I'll post the trade breakdown. If I was gonna post it, maybe by the time I'm back home, then do all the things I gotta do and then record it and post it today for you guys. So see you guys, take care, and see you at 9:30. If not, then see you guys on Monday. Have a good one. Have a good rest of your week. Trade safe. Take care.